Hey people, what's going on? Today I'm just finishing up the front suspension on the Lawn General custom rebuild, and I'll show you what I did so far. Alright, so basically I have been building these channels for the shocks. I got that all welded in there, and what I did was I took a bunch of angle iron and welded them all together because I didn't have any other kind of metal to use for this. I don't really have a lot of metal, so I'm kind of just creating everything as I go. Now what I got to do is just get this welded on here and get a couple other things cut and cleaned up quick, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, you can see that I got it welded on here. The welds don't look too bad. They should hold. Now what I got to do is I gotta put something, weld something here to hold on to the arm that the spring hooks onto, and once I get that figured out, I'll show you guys. Alright, so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of angle iron here, and I'm going to just cut it down the middle, and then I'll have two strips, and then I'm going to cut it down the middle here, so I'll have four. And then I'm just going to weld these tabs right here on each side, and we'll see how that goes quick. Alright, so I got the tabs all cut up, and I'm going to get all the sharp edges taken off. I'm going to use the grinder wheel here, and we'll go from there. It might start raining. I hope not, because I have nowhere else to cut and weld. I can't really use my shed because I don't have enough room. Alright, so I've got all the tabs cleaned up and they're all done. Got one here, I got one here, and I'm just going to weld these right to the frame. And what else I got to do is I got to drill a hole right here all the way through, and get a nut and bolt, a couple washers, and that will be pretty much done after that. So I'm going to leave you guys with that, and next time you come back, it should be all finished. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and check back. Thanks for watching.